Imagine a factory floor buzzing with activity, yet strangely devoid of human presence. Machines hum and whir, tirelessly performing intricate tasks with precision and speed. What is this futuristic vision, you ask? And what does it mean for the future of manufacturing? This is the captivating realm of automation, a transformative force reshaping industries before our very eyes. For centuries, manufacturing relied heavily on human labor. Today, a quiet revolution is underway. Machines are assuming roles once thought exclusive to humans. This shift promises unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity, but it also raises profound questions about the future of work and the very nature of human employment. But what exactly is automation? And how is it changing the face of modern manufacturing? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world. Automation uses technology to perform tasks previously carried out by human workers. This ranges from moving materials to assembling intricate components. The key is replacing human effort with machines or software. Automation transforms manufacturing, optimizing processes. It means faster, cheaper, and higher quality production. The advantages of automation are undeniable. Increased productivity, reduced costs, and improved quality. Automation allows manufacturers to operate 24/7 without breaks or fatigue. It minimizes human error and enhances worker safety. However, automation presents challenges like job displacement. Machines replacing human workers can lead to unemployment. High initial investment costs are another concern for businesses. Section 4. Applications across industries. Where automation thrives. Automation is not limited to a single industry. Its tentacles reach far and wide, transforming sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and more. In manufacturing, automation is particularly prevalent in industries like automotive, electronics, and pharmaceuticals, where precision and speed are paramount. For instance, car manufacturers have been using robots on assembly lines for decades, automating tasks like welding, painting, and assembly. This has dramatically increased production rates while improving the overall quality and safety of vehicles. In electronics manufacturing, automation is crucial for assembling tiny components with high precision, something human workers would find difficult, if not impossible, to replicate. Pharmaceutical companies rely on automation for tasks like filling and packaging medications, ensuring accuracy and sterility. But the impact of automation extends beyond these core industries. From automated warehouses to self-driving trucks, the applications are vast and ever-expanding. This begs the question, what does the future hold for automation? Section 5. Looking ahead. The future of automation in manufacturing. The future of automation in manufacturing is bright, with advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and machine learning poised to revolutionize the industry further. As these technologies mature, we can expect even greater levels of automation, leading to smarter factories and more efficient production processes. However, this future is not without its challenges. As automation becomes more prevalent, it will be crucial to address the potential for job displacement and the need for retraining and upskilling the workforce. The workers of tomorrow will need to adapt and acquire new skills to thrive in an increasingly automated world. This brings us to the next exciting chapter in our exploration of automation: robotics. What exactly are robots, and how are they driving the automation revolution? Stay tuned to explore this fascinating topic in our next installment.